Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing great today for this Sunday, Vlogmas day number 8 guys. Today I'm going to show you how to do a handbag charm. I know I have showed you guys how to do these before, but guys, today is not just any handbag charm. It's going to be a Grinch theme handbag charm that's going to look perfect on all your bags for this holiday season guys, and I'm going to do 2 different ones. I have this chain right here. I got both chains from Amazon actually. I'll link them down below if you guys are interested. So I have this one and then I have this one that's a little bit smaller. It's 2 different tone golds guys. I was trying to find some that would match with my Louis, and this is as close as I got. So this is what I'm working with. Like I said, there will be links down below if you guys are interested. So I also have these super cute ornaments guys, Grinch ornaments I got from Hallmark. I thought these were perfect for the charms. I used some similar to these as well for my NBC charm, if you guys saw that one. And I have also these super cute Grinch charms that I got from Michael's. So if you guys are interested, that is where I got them from. I'm going to begin by removing these and getting them ready for the charms. By the way, if you guys hear any commotion in the background, it's the boys guys. It's Sunday football night, so yeah, they're watching football right now and they're screaming. You know how it is with these guys watching football. But yeah, so I got these charms off the packaging. These are the ones I'm going to be using for the first charm. So I got my jumping rings, the chain, my charms, and of course the pliers. I have 2 different ones that I'm going to be using. And now I am going to add the jumping rings to the charms so they're ready to apply to the chain. I have some gold tone jumping rings that I also got from Michael's that match perfectly with the chain. So I am going to be adding about 3 jumping rings to each charm. To begin, I'm going to open up the jumping ring that is actually on the charm already, wide enough so I can add the other jumping ring. And then once I add it, I'm going to close it up, making sure it is completely sealed so they don't fall out. Next, I'm gonna open up that jumping ring that I had just added, wide enough to add 1 more jumping ring to that and extend it. Once I add that jumping ring, I'm going to close it up once again. So now my charm has a total of 3 jumping rings. So I ended up adding 2. I know I said 3. At the end of the day, however many jumping rings you want to put, whether it's more or less, is completely up to you. And now I'm going to do the same exact thing to the rest of the 3 charms. Now that I am done, I'm going to add them to the actual chain. Remember, placement is optional. You can place them in whatever order you want. What I like to do, I like to count how many jumping rings each chain has. And then based on however many charms I have, I divide those jumping rings so they are evenly distributed on the chain. So right here for this one, I counted about 5 jumping rings and then I placed my first charm. And then after that, I just counted every 5, and that's how I added the charms. To attach the charms onto the chain, I opened up that top jumping ring, I added it to the chain, and then I made sure it was securely sealed. And that was it guys, look at that. First charm is on the chain. And again, I did the same thing for the rest of the charms. So once I was done adding all those charms to the chain, this is how my chain looked. How adorable, right? Super cute. It's so Grinchy. I love it. Super cute, right? On to the next charm chain. So for this one, I am going to be using the ornaments as well as the charms. I wanted to mix it up and make it look extra cute, guys. So I'm going to start off by taking out these ornaments. I did get these from Hallmark, but I believe you can also buy them on Amazon. If I find the link, I will link them down below for you guys as well. so you can get them off Amazon. And then for the charms, guys, you guys already saw the process. Same thing I did at the beginning, just adding those jumping rings. I added the same amount, 2 per charm. You guys can see that right here. So these are good to go. For the ornaments, I am choosing the ones that I want to use for the chain. And then I'm going to remove the string because I'm going to turn these into charms. So with my pliers, I'm just going to cut off that string very quickly. I only used 4, so you don't have to use all of them. Just pick and choose what you want to use. And then with the jumping rings, I'm going to turn these into charms. So to begin, I'm going to get a jumping ring, open it up with the pliers, and then I'm going to add the ornament. The ornament already comes with a little hole on it, so it works perfect. And then I'm going to add 1 more jumping ring to that and seal it up, making sure it is completely sealed so they don't fall out. Now I have 2 jumping rings on this ornament. I'm going to open up the top one, as you guys can see there. It has 2. I'm going to open up the top one and add 1 more jumping ring to this. And then seal it up 1 more time. This is what I'm going to do to all of the ornaments. So total, every ornament is going to have 3 jumping rings. So now I am done prepping all my charms and they're ready to add to the chain. For this one, since I did have 7 charms, I counted the jumping rings on the chain all the way to the middle, and that is where I placed my middle charm. This way that middle charm kind of works as a guide, so I have both sides separated, and then it's easier for me to divide them and spread them out evenly across the charm chain. I hope this is making sense. I know it's a little confusing, but hopefully when you guys are seeing what I'm doing, you kind of get the point. So if it's a little confusing, sorry about that. So again, I am opening up that top jumping ring on the charm and then attaching it to the jumping ring on the chain, and then closing it up, making sure it is completely sealed so it does not fall off. So there goes my first charm right in the middle, and now I did count every 6 jumping ring on the chain, and that is where I attached my charm. I did 3 on each side, so they were spread out evenly. Once I was done attaching all the charms, this is how my bag charm looked, guys. How adorable is this, right? Oh my gosh, I loved how it came out. Super cute, both of them, guys. Look how adorable they are. I feel like the ornament one just takes it to a whole nother level, like with all the little shiny charms and then the ornaments. It's just so adorable. I love them. I did add them to my bag so you guys can look how it looks on a bag. So the little one, I did add it to a Speedy, and look how adorable it looks. I also even added my little blinged out Grinch keychain. It's so adorable, guys. I also did show you guys how to do that one. But yes, guys, look how cute it is. And it is such an easy DIY craft, guys, to do these bag charms. I also did add the other bag charm to my 𝓬𝓸𝓻𝓰. I did add little circle extensions to them so they could attach better and have more of a little dangle. But guys, look how adorable this is. Oh my gosh, I love them. Perfect for this holiday season, guys, and for every single year. I am totally gonna be using these. But yes, guys, I hope you did enjoy this video. I hope you learned a little something. Thank you guys so much for watching. Do not forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next Vlogmas tomorrow. So turn on your notifications. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.